Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we bring you another full report from Juba, Bor and other part of the country. In this episode, we will look at major political change from President Salva Kiir Mayardit office, and a shocking viral video from Bor town and cattle dispute between Jonglei and Pibor, and a new warning about the 2026 election. We will also bring you breaking news from a deadly attack near Jabal Iraq. Before we proceed with this update, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Do not forget to like the video and share the video. Let us start with Kiir replaces private secretary in Juba. In another report in Juba City, President Salva Kiir Mayardit has made another round of sweeping change within his office. On Wednesday, the president dismissed his private secretary Deng Bona Bangdel and replaced him with Moses Rou Aye. This move came shortly after several other presidential decrees that changed key figures inside the office of the president, including the office manager, chief administrator, head of legal affairs, and the minister in charge of presidential affairs. Observers say this rapid change are part of a larger shakeup happening inside the presidency. Many people are asking the same question: why is President Salva Kiir Mayardit suddenly replacing so many of his closest aides, those who are helping him in his office? So far, there is no official reason for the decision, but political analysts they believe that the changes reflect growing uncertainty and internal mistrust within the presidential office. One analyst say that such frequent changes can create confusion and instability, especially when decrees are issued and cancelled within days. However, others say the president might be trying to strengthen control by surrounding himself with people he fully trusts ahead of the 2026 election. Still, the reason behind this swift appointment and dismissal remain unclear. We will continue monitoring this developing story. Let's move on to our second top story. Drunken soldier arrested in Bor town in Jonglei state for threatening a woman. Now to Bor town in Jonglei state, where disturbing videos has caused widespread anger on social media after a certain SSPDF soldier was filmed threatening a woman at gunpoint while appearing to be drunk. The viral clip sparked outrage across the country. Authorities in Bor County have confirmed that the soldier has been arrested and is under investigation. Bor County Commissioner Samuel Atenypech spoke to local media, saying the soldier was detained by a national security officer shortly after the video spread online. Yes, he is under arrest, the commissioner said. He even made a video apologizing to the women and to the people of Bor, but that apology does not remove the responsibility for what he did. Commissioner Ateng emphasized that the soldier behavior damaged the reputation of the South Sudanese army forces and must be dealt with seriously. He said, even though he apologized, he must face investigation because he acted under influence of alcohol and disrespected civilian. And not only him alone, many of SSPDF also drunk. They were searching civilian house drunk. The soldier's name and rank have not yet been made public as investigation continue. The video, which circulated widely on Facebook and Twitter, showed the same army soldier confronting the women aggressively in what looked like a residential area. The incident has renewed public debate about discipline within the security forces, especially the need to control the use of alcohol while on duty. Many citizens are calling, for stronger punishment to set an example and rebuild trust between the army and civilian. Commissioner Ateng promised that accountability will be ensured and such act will not be tolerated again. But many people are disagreeing with the commissioner. They are saying that they know fully well that this SSPDF soldiers, they are not equipped with professionality, how they can carry out their work, because what they are doing, they are doing it in the influence of alcohol, another drug they are using. In fact, it is not him alone. Many of his colleagues also did the same. But the issue is this: what the civilians are complaining for. The community in Bor, they are saying why the government allows such SS soldiers to be allowed to do such job under this circumstance. They are saying that they should be monitored before they even go door to door searching for guns, because these soldiers, they were allowed to disarm the Red Belt group in Boton. But before they even start disarming or searching for guns, they first take booze and then go door to door. That is why people are reacting, because when they saw that video and they watched that video, this SSPDF soldier seemed like he wanted to shoot the woman. That's why many people reacted. The civilians are saying that the SSPDF should stop searching for civilian house, because under this circumstance they are not ready. Let's look at our third top story. Jonglei and people disagree over cattle theft incident. In another story from Jonglei State, local authorities say they have recovered more than 120 stolen cattle animals that were allegedly taken by use from the Greater Pibor administrative area. However, leaders in Pibor have denied any involvement. According to Bor County Commissioner Samuel Atenpich, the cattle were stolen 2 days ago from Makwach Payam inside Bor town. He described it as a theft, not a raid, since there was no gunfire or casualties. He explained that the animals were recovered the next day around 1 p.m. and only one cow had been killed and eaten by the thief. But when they reached out to Jacob Werchum, the Minister of Information for the Greater Pibor administrative area, Jacob Werchum dismissed the report, calling it an unverified story. Werchum said, "We have not received any official report from Jonglei State. We believe this story is made up. Our youth are not involved in any cattle raid right now." He also added that it is unlikely for youth from Pibor to enter Bor town, the state capital, to steal cattle. The disagreement between the two authorities show the ongoing tension between Jonglei and Bor, even though both sides they say they want peace and cooperation. Community elders are now calling for calm and for both state government to verify facts together before making public statement that could raise tension between the two communities. But many people in Jonglei, they believe that the raid come from Greater Pibor administrative area. But yet the authority from GPAA, they are denying it. Let's move on to our fourth story. Yakani called for quick electoral action before 2026. In Juba, well-known activist Enmun Yakani, the executive director of the Community Empowerment for Progress organization, is calling on South Sudan's leader to act fast to meet key election deadline. South Sudan is expected to hold national election on December 22nd, 2026, the first in over a decade. According to the National Election Act 2023, amended, the government must review and rename all electoral constituencies by December 22nd, 2025. If that does not happen, the law say that the same 2010 constituencies will automatically be used again. Yakani warned that time is running out and that political leaders are moving too slowly. He said if the process is not completed in time, it could disconnect election from population data and constitutional progress. He added that missing the deadline could force the government into difficult choices, such as extending the transitional period or forming a new interim administration, both of which could cause more political tension. Yakani urges the government to take clear political and technical decisions before December 2025 and respond to recommendations from the UN, Africa Union, and IGAD. He also warned that if the government tries to postpone the election again, citizens or organizations may take the case to the East African Court of Justice. In his word, the path to peace is through holding election as scheduled on December 22nd, 2026. Yakani said SIPO is ready to help organize dialogue among peace agreement signatories to ensure an inclusive political environment. The activist warning come after Professor Abenego Akok, chairperson of the National Election Commission, said that the upcoming election might have to use the 2008 census data and the 2010 constituencies because of limited time and resources. Akok also revealed that the commission still has not received funding for pre-election activities, even though President Salva Kiir Mayardit had ordered the Minister of Finance to release the money. This ongoing delay raises serious concern about whether South Sudan will actually be ready for election in 2026. We have breaking news: attack on gold miner near Jebel Iraq. Report reaching us that an army group believed to be linked to SPLMIO forces attacked a gold mining site early this morning in Moyai Sukun near Jebel Iraq. The attack happened around 4 a.m., leaving one person dead and several others injured. Eyewitnesses say the armament targeted miners, stealing phone, cash, and goods from nearby shops and market stalls. One of the miners, a young man from Tonyin, Warab State, was shot dead after he refused to hand over his belongings. The attacker later disappeared into the surrounding hill before security forces arrived. The incident has left the local community in shock and fear. Residents are now calling on the authorities to provide protection for workers in the gold mining areas and to investigate who is behind the attack. So far, no group has officially claimed responsibility, and the government has not released a statement, even though they accuse SPLIO of being the people that are attacking the gold miner. This is an unconfirmed report. We will keep following this developing story and bring you update as soon as they become available. Chana we katin kon ban latten walle katin kon lat korodian rewik ka South Sudan bro show palping kaliang dien ban je tok laraniam kan kono niami jiram jidit goa same ka Changfied YouTube channel gorno jin bi subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jetwan ko mete mi break goa same be chomala shube keji chuje poro jeno jin bi channel bi jelwak bi je share ka bi lak abanten kon lat green goa same bana keling ler ban ling goa same keniam bala lere shalat ka kuma kirm yadi kirm yadi chala do jen she lada ala private secretary cheje George re wiki juba president self kirm yadit chamudo dien ki wut ne ka je nyoko min ladaja ka changa do ka jok ci president self kirm yadit che private secretary ka ja Ramishale deng bona bang del chaja watch chagwara che kamrada dien Michelle Moses rowa ye Mishit kaname wa tuko korga me Kiir chane ngwan chago watch office de no chane let ka presidential office chago watch tila ke figure along net ngaika office dan teten she office manager chaja George she chief administrator cheje George, she head of legal affairs cheje George, she minister in charge of presidential affairs be cheje George. Ka jo chalat gwasame wata wo Kiir wo jana ka jame wa gore jen wo benediti baramadan der control be je kula control ko la ja gujen ran mi che janya lung dong der wo te ga mengije so la yu chama la wo je tina zanu mi chename me let Kiir me la wo jaram mo ka bram nyogo noni be nyogo wo jaram dana chen ndong baradin be jen ka gwan metot adwo mi tele reason ba mi de laro to reason which president Kiir me yadi na ka je queen amaka no kana kolat ka kor gade dani cha ko wo chen ne ne ten yam shu mene de takti tele official reason ke statement mi shala da Kiir no wo je ka do ba mene na kana kolat chagola do ne an mission me wojalana wokeme president ke woje ne ka din konte kel gaja wa dongdara lawo no na tel ngaska ko changera ma chakwanya ta meru ndar je woika do mi mommi dong kirana ngaje no woike je ko kingu ka so ne me wa nyu de tel ngaska kam ne ka kaniri konte la kwanya ka ba kwanya ka ba woch anyo gwaze me ba chala do Kiir ba dong ko stabli ni ro de ko ba bom ko barore alaka ka ku inquire ke 2026 beben Commission to Canadian control, by the way, Canadian Alcona Tiga control, I can go over take power. I knew the general Michi 2026 at Chelunjok, and they kill me yadi dara path, Kajo down lat Keja. So do over Larama Quanya Beja would go to Ramimo, Milalo Yalkeja, Kiramimo, maybe Ladeka, Kelode, she ram don't be a bine pinirun. Chan to a leramo. Leradian Guasame, Quidek, Michi Yonka Kong, Dorashal Kebor, Guade Shadi, SSPD up then. Chaga jakre which born or can make cock match one commercial red bell group. Kabor town take a video machalas online. Video more take SSPDF soldier, key dig SSPDF Michi Yong long, Jarod Kujo dere, woman dere lel. Gentle shing muduang chasing a jug along Malaja dianaga and when money. Chachu tour quidja, Guan Mola my lad, Yoda mandit, Cabell and Yogamanga. Kajanche Yong long. Trualika pen can guard down to the lacula you think in a ring with the long caram jelka match catch a young kite don't take a land which are come a kume kajan ball and the children lot there could guard in a many a ring with the long made need one but dear canelo and SSPD median tardy no more there will tell you no chicken yank and I said come here and it to a nasser chowgan thinbo and no don't large and do be done to a corkajan go in a real around me jagla charge bill responsible come in jagadan chilat Kajo chakulat guasa me mu kon report no ngane chala no ndolo mo me she on no der na der kabar bor chala do jen charge cap she national security she kana cap ka bor county chala do charge cap ka cha shi ganda nan ce de nak cha nyo mi chal ke jebane chine do content ka long ka bor county she kala do charge mo charge cap ci bor county commissioner Samuel Ateng page cha jawlat ci raje long ci raje ji media mu ko te video let kono me ci la do ne deje danan shi na ci tigden ci jaga jabe re wi bor no ka ma mi jel ke je ko cha kam lat no kan meju kan ga kep ka cha video mo cha yu camera then cha yor ko online ka social media watch national security officer sigu yujian sigu mo kana gor chala do cha wud mo cha jakap no jenen tema ja under arrest ci commissioner je jomo cha jalad jenen chang ne men cha ben ano dong cha apologize ko te video mi cha lar mo raje tin o cha der mi chalat no wa apologize de ki ta dan lar malike je den cha je nok ko jen cha lar mi mo dong che tigran che debat so ku je mo shira mi mo dong de der dan chalat de jalar no laro paleka de ko paleka de ka jen la de jangaje shi commissioner Ateng chala do ne misale le jen wude me DSSPD ba me che mi je ke jala de che lat ka che ture South Sudan Army Force KSSPDF de ni South Sudan pinkir mi yadit che me jen che yar ki che turin che yar ko jen de ko jen obachi jen ko wada bokane de ngwan tiji yong bat ajara mo cha ko le turo ne makana turo ne ke video ajangan wini mi cha de ngach taram de jangach en wote mi tije lat ke kende ne so chayo nen chai nen win mo na lat ke de ne SSPDF chara me cha je ke ka cha je la no baje investigate baje teach ka baje discipline en video da ne cha lat ke kwide me cha ben me cha cheke de na cha share ka social media cha share ka Facebook cha share ka Twitter cha share bogon de ngwan woni ka TikTok no cha mi je ke la da jen menen yene me ki de ne SSPDF ko kwar ken ji ben yala no ku kana apologize pala je ka men cha la da mi je cha je yene kume de ku pele ke de ka jen ta da ante ke unless ajen la yena ne kana logo no ba ka tor ko lat ke ti chodien lot kala kana la ro cha men da lat kana cha de lat na mo che wewe wana ka jongle kana pibor ji jongle kana ji pibor la murle kana ne kon te ka jongle chi ga disagree kan ko rodien ka do be da ne cha kwal ka je me cha kwal cha te chup ko kor jen dang ro cha ko lo jok ne de ko ne shi ka nang shi greater pibor administrative area chi ro ala no kana chwa ne chaka ka kana te lok te ne kana shi bur county commissioner Samuel Ateng pe chela do ne jene wo kwal ka ko nin dang rotin paiwe doran shwal ke ma coach payam jen gwadan ka ne ka bor town by the way jen gwadan nga ketin chela no ne ko nan ka ngwa ke sure no lo le se chi ne content pe ke nok but ke sure jenen gwazmo chuna chu jen cha ok to cha ko no ok to ko jen dang ro de kel cha ko jek ne yang kel ji kan na ka ne kon la sure ke ji kan yang mo ji kan cham chela no cha ne to cha ok cha chu no atel kor ci rien yo barno jen jo dana chalat ci je ko werchum chala do ne Minister of Information dor morle ke greater people administrative area jen report chala no ci ne ka ci kan ci ko ci kan ka kwal jen ci to jen ken yam kwa ne je kona verified in story ko ne me shire ka mi kanan verified so ko kuje mo de yen ko na ngaji no kan ne ka shok ci kwal wala ci kan ci jo mo ci jalat bat ngai ka je no ne kon laok la kwal ni siang ke ken murle ke ngane jaba chana we ka le radian mi cha la da wuri chal ko me yakani generam kel mi like tvs re we ka South Sudan chale in mun yakani executive director ka organization in chal ke community empowerment for progress organization chale sepo ja jola chole kum South Sudan no la da tin yala kono gor ke kwin kware ajeni before ken December 2022 ke 2026 December 2022 akan shop jana de de alde kare aleka kata nda ne chala region national election de jala ne ke jen 2023 kami chagora 2023 and one na de radial all electoral constituencies de ke latkan dial de ko inquire de ko latke December 22nd 2025 but be ken ya nyom yot ke jok so ci kan jo mala do ne antam gor kan dial no de ko inquire de jalat ka jo kan kumen wo de ne dial de gor rol gwakel ko de ko inquire de jalat ka jen kor gwaten be ajena der kan lun ko tanda na dong cha kuin kwar cha gonu bala ke jer gejen wo besol dan be nyolo re kor anyok very important message mi che lat gwasme ajena ne ajena mo kan cha kuin kwar cha elit ke 2026 ajeni ba kuma South Sudan ba je nan ka court ki South Africa court ba kan nan gwalok no kan it kon yar ka mare wi ka South Sudan wa ba nan ka court mo kan extend nyok again mi cha lat no mo channel we breaking news radian breaking news link kono me toga gwada dana la dabla ja tetketin chala do ne ne shal ne cha gs pelayo cha chekaka eno chicken gold mining site chicken mark karun wangan walle gwada shal mo yai sukrun miti ka jabal iraq wa ne to me kan gwada dana tin ka tangwan la 4am ke water wa chikaram kel chicken ganak chikaram kel chicken nak bane ko ken chiorian bar wa chicken kwak chicken ga kan chicken telephone nang chicken yu chicken ga nang en duor mo gwayon e men tungin kon wen mo wa chicken ka dakandial chiram kel mi chicken an gwazmo chela do duor chikor chetuok chela do cha young man ki ngat kel mi laran tun ka warab state wa cha jenak an gwaz dana chiri ke toktin kada to wa churi yo bar yo badre ro ko jodan chalat ke je lat ke je no ke ji ku mes filayo but ku mes filayo kan lat tele group mishi larno ke responsible ka ta dan shi ke to je but ge je no ne ko la ji duare ku mes filayo je lat ken no e ke ji es filayo ke je mon but kana confirmed de bana mandan to tin ban je link gwasen be jan gwada na bana chongtin ne me channel right kalarity to the konkaling and go tin kontore you can South Sudan gor kan chob lo ajmi ditalong gor no jin bi channel bi support Changfied committee mi bare be chamala shibugaji an bi atakamal bye bye